Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a Nigerian style shawarma. Juicy, spicy and absolutely delicious. Perfect for a quick lunch, dinner or even a party treat. Let's get into it. You will need chicken breast, shawarma wraps or tortilla wraps, garlic, ginger, paprika, mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili, cabbage, carrots and lemon. So I'm going to split the chicken in two just so it can cook faster and more evenly. So when you're done splitting it in two, you're going to transfer everything into a bowl. Then you get ready to marinate your chicken breast. So for the seasoning I used paprika, onion powder, ginger and garlic, black pepper and stock powder. And I'm also going to go in with olive oil and some lemon juice. So this lemon juice is very important because it makes the chicken nice and tender. So now you're going to mix everything in to get the chicken nicely coated. If you have enough time, let it marinate for a couple of minutes while you prep the other ingredients. When you're ready, heat up a pan, add a drizzle of oil and then add the chicken. You're going to fry this on high heat in a single layer, okay, making sure there is space so the chicken won't start steaming instead of frying. So I'm going to cook this for 4 minutes on each side just so it gets a very good sear. So when it's done, you bring it out and you let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. It's very important to let it rest because it makes the chicken stay nice and tender. Now we're going to fry the sausages if you're using it, which I was about to use before my family. They told me they don't like the sausage in their shawarma, so I have to leave it out at the end of everything. So now to the veggies. The veggies for Nigerian shawarma is just cabbage and carrots, but some people like to add cucumbers, so add that if you like it. It also helps if you sharpen your knife so that you get even and thin slices. Then after the cabbage, you go onto your carrots. You're gonna peel it. And then you're also going to use the grater to grate the carrots into a thin slices or pieces. Now on to our shawarma sauce. We're going to need the ketchup. We're going to add our mayonnaise. And you're also going to go in with your sweet chili sauce. For this, if you don't have sweet chili sauce, you can use a little bit of sugar or honey to it. We are also going to go in with cayenne pepper, but if you don't like your shawarma spicy, you can just skip this step. Now we're going to mix everything together until everything is well incorporated. So now that one is done, we're going to go ahead and shred our chicken. You're just going to go ahead and shred your chicken and get it ready for assemble. So now that all our ingredients are prepped and ready, Let's bring everything together. So add everything to a wide bowl and mix. The advantage of mixing everything together is that you get to decide how juicy you want your shawarma to be. Alright, if you want more sauce, you can go in and add more sauce. So now our shawarma filling is ready. It's time to wrap it up. Get your shawarma wrap or your tortilla wrap. You're going to lay that out, and then you're just going to go in and scoop the filling in it. So that was how I arranged it, so I was able to fold it up. The tortilla wrap is a bit hard to fold, but the shawarma wrap is a bit softer and easier. Now you're going to gently roll it up, and then you're going to place it in a pan, a dry pan or a sandwich press, to toast for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps seal it up and give it a nice crisp. So now you're just going to do this for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When you're done, you're gonna take it out, and that's it. So go ahead and do the same to all the remaining wraps. And you're gonna go in with your filling. You're going to fold it in gently, and then you're gonna place it in a hot pan if you don't have a sandwich press. Like I said, putting it in a hot pan or sandwich press is going to help seal it up on that edge. So for the single tortilla wrap left, I'm going to go ahead and do the same to it, and also put it in a sandwich press. So this is how you do it if it's a single wrap, or if you want to do it double, you go ahead and do the same that I did. So that's it. Our shawarma is ready. Nigerian shawarma, juicy, spicy, creamy, and bursting with flavor. So if you're not going to be eating it immediately, you can just wrap it in a foil or a parchment paper. Then when you're ready to eat it, you can just warm it up in the air fryer. And here is our finished shawarma. It was so nice and so filling, and everyone loved it so much. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments how you like your shawarma. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.